I am Machiel Veltkamp. I am from the Netherlands and I live in Utrecht. And I am an artist that works with video mapping, projection mapping. I studied at the HKU, the University of the Arts Utrecht, and I started to study theater design and scenography. And then after that I noticed that I'm quite happy working with computers, and I switched to the study called interactive performance design, which I finished in I think 2003. After that I started the foundation, Z25, with which I made a lot of interactive installations in Utrecht and in the Netherlands. I have made the installation The Wall of Stools, which is an installation I made for the museum, which was inspired by the theme of the room in which I made the installation. The central theme of the room is pixels, and there are pixels everywhere. And there's even a wall where they store the stools, which is also in the shape of little cubes. And I thought, if there is any surface in this room that's perfect for a projection mapping installation, it's this wall. The work that I do has a lot to do with perspective, but also with illusion and also with mathematics. And what I love about projection mapping is that it's a sort of play with the light. I've worked in the theater as a lighting designer and lighting technician. And for me, working with projection is working with light as a material. I worked with the project Future Inventors, where I worked with children of the primary school to teach them about projection mapping. I developed an interface for a piece of software in which they could easily map movies, images onto cubes that we put in space, and try to work with them and play with them to see if they can make nice sequences and animations of movies and images. And it's always a surprise. I never know what's going to happen with the workshops. I never know what's going to come out of it. And it's a very beautiful, grateful feeling if you see them create something that I could not have think about. I would have never have done it like that. And I think that's really magical.